Hello, I'm Jay, owner of Volunteer Audio in Oliver Springs, Tennessee, and I think we've got something very exciting today. So I've got this Roadglide, and I've got Q. He's from the channel Riding and Wrenching, does a lot of DIY installs on his channel, and I think this is great because I've shown you many times in other videos how to step-by-step install different systems in your Harley. And I've got two firsts today. First off, I've got Q, and this will be his first time doing it, which is awesome because I love someone that's not done it before, so we can go maybe a little bit more in depth on the install. It's also going to be our first install that we videoed doing a complete Precision Power Soundstream install. So we're going to be using the new HDHU14 radio, bring this bike into the future, give it some Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It looks like the GTS radio from Harley. It's really going to make it look better, but at the same time, we got to make it sound better too. So we're going to use the Precision Power completely plug-and-play amplifier system. So we're going to show you how easy this is to install, go step-by-step on how to put it in. Q's going to show you how easy it is to put it in. We're also going to upgrade the front speakers and the rear tour pack speakers to 6.5-inch Precision Power speakers. And we're going to do the cut kits. We're actually going to cut in adapters in the lids, install 6x9s, show you how to properly wire that, and show you just how easy it is to put an amazing system in your Harley and go step-by-step. So I'm excited. I think it's going to be really, really nice, and I hope you hang out and watch the rest of the video. All right, guys, so about 5 hours of actual work ago, a lot of talking, a little bit of eating. We started this bike, and I think Q's done a great job. So
yep, I appreciate it.
As you watched, we had him do it just step by step. He did most of it. I can't stand to stand back and touch nothing, so every now and then I jumped in and grabbed a few things. But overall, I'm very impressed. Most of this kit is actually engineered by Precision Power, and the complete plug-and-play harness they have was very, very easy to install, saves us a lot of time, and it looks extremely professional. It looks like it was factory installed. At Volunteer Audio, we've added a few things like the backbone harness, the quick disconnects. We've assembled some extra parts to make it even easier in our bundles. But I think overall, this bike is looking really good. It's about time to listen to it, though. We need to see how good does it sound. Because, you know, looking at it's one thing. The new radio made it look like a new bike. The new speaker grills are just so much classier. The old worn-out rear grills being replaced looks great. But let's fire it up and let's listen to it. And then hopefully, if weather holds out, we'll go somewhere and we'll get a walk away and see how far it'll go. And also find out what Q thinks after he's rode it, because we need to find out.
That's right.
Key is, what does it sound like going down the road?
Going down the
right?
road, absolutely.
All right, so let's fire it up and let's get us a song playing. Sitting on the bike. Yep. You're going to feel it and hear it. So, I love what audio does because it creates an emotion. It can make a bad day into a good day. Right. It can bring us up and make us sometimes drive too fast. Yeah. But I think you'll be able to pick whatever you want and be able to hear it loud and clear now.
Yeah, this sounds really, really good.
Well, it looks good, sounds good. Let's take it out of here, get out of the garage into an open air environment.
Let's go.
Let's check it out.
Let's go.
All right, so we rode up to a local shopping center here. It's actually, we're at my church, Beach Park Baptist Church. We're under the awning. A lot of times we do this in the parking lot, but it's fixing to rain. Q's done a great job. You definitely need to check out Riding and Wrenching. This guy is
the biggest little YouTube channel on the entire interwebs.
I love listening to him. His voice is perfect for us. I love it. But we got his bike built, and we're gonna play some copyright-free music, same one we just played a minute ago. We're gonna walk, and I'm gonna show you just how loud it is from a distance. We're gonna walk a little over 200 feet, and we're gonna see what it sounds like. So let's fire this thing up and we'll walk away. Real quick, everything we put in it, kind of close this video out.
Impressive. That's very impressive.
All right, I just want to tell you thank you for watching. I want to go over one more time real quick everything we did to this bike. So the factory had the GT radio with the rubber button, so we upgraded to the Soundstream HD HU14. That's the new GTS looking radio. I think it looks better.
I do too.
I really like, we've got things like custom colors on it, so it's got the same orange backlighting as the factory gauges. They did a great job with the styling. But Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, great equalizer built in. We did the Precision Power 6.5-inch speakers in the fairing and in the tour pack. We also added the Precision Power 6x9s with their cut kits in the lids and a Precision Power 800-watt amplifier hidden under the radio and behind the headlight, so taking up zero storage space whatsoever. Q's done a great job. I think you just heard it. Excellent.
It was actually, it was a lot of fun. I enjoy working on my own bike. I've said that before and I'll say it again. It's a lot of fun, and this is a cool project that is definitely a do-it-yourself project. This was the basic tools, no special tools were required, and I cut a hole in my cycle. 2 of them. No, 4 of them.
So I love it because I love that you encourage people. I love encouraging people to take on a task to this level, because this is daunting to some people. They're like, I have no experience with audio. I don't know what I'm doing. This kit is well thought out. Everything you need is going to be there. We also do free tech support at Volunteer Audio. So you're either going to talk to Zach, you're going to talk to Samantha, you're going to talk to me. We've all done it. We know what we're doing. We do it over and over. Plus we have step-by-step YouTube videos like the one you just watched. It goes over every aspect of it. And I'm sure you're going to have a few step-by-step videos yourself on it.
Absolutely.
So definitely subscribe to Riding and Wrenching. You can see more with Q in it. And if you haven't already subscribed to Volunteer Audio, please like this video, comment if you have any questions, You can call us at 1-844-30-AUDIO. You can also visit volunteeraudio.com, or you can send us an email at sales@volaudio.com. So many ways of getting a hold of us. We'd love to meet you. If this is more than you think you can do on your own, come in and hang out with me for the day. We'll get your bike done, or maybe we'll do it in an evening, and we'll let you get out and you can go visit the Smoky Mountains. Here we are in East Tennessee. We've got beautiful places to ride. I'll give you a list of those. Make a trip out of it. But thank you for watching. You got anything else you want to finish up with?
No, I just appreciate it. I think this is, like I said, it's an awesome project, and I'm actually looking forward to doing it again. This was a
we got
lot of
another
fun.
bike, don't we?
I got a street glide, and I'm going to do the same thing on my street glide.
Awesome.
So I'm really looking forward to it. This is a fun project. Oh, here's a question for you. How many hours, billable hours, or is that something that you?
So if we did a 6-speaker like this, it's about 5 billable hours.
5 billable hours.
Yeah.
And so that's something that you can save yourself. That's, and it's fun. You get the satisfaction of saying you did it yourself. So I've run into so many people who have done their own art, who had audio systems installed. I've done my own. And so it's just a little bragging point, and it is really cool.
Devin, thank you so much for watching. God bless, and I hope you have a good day.
Take care.